I'm going to watch Peacemaker on Max while Aiden Pierce is playing Call of Duty Advanced Warfare on his Xbox Series X. Ha 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 ha.
After Iraq watches 3 episodes of Peacemaker on Max, and let's see what happens next when Aiden Pierce is going to ground Iraq.
Ha 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 ha. Man, that was the funniest show I've ever watched in my entire fucking life. Oh shit, it's Aiden Pierce.
Iraq, how dare you watch Peacemaker? You know that show is rated TVMA, and it contains blood and gore, sexual content, strong language, and strong brutality violence. That's it. You are grounded until Ki Walter reaches 600 subscribers. Go to your room now.
No.